Back at it with the white bands. Well, back at it. I know. You're probably wondering, Haywood, it's been so long. Why are you doing a video now? I mean, it's not like we haven't done anything cool. We've been doing a lot of cool things. Like, for example, one of the cool things that we did was, you remember that Cybertruck we did not too long ago? Yeah, we sent it up into space. Elon reached out to us and was like, hey.
I saw your guys' Cybertruck, and I think it'd be really freaking awesome if we sent it into space. By the way, Haywood, do you want to play Diablo with me?
And I was like, yeah, let's do it.
All systems currently green. 2, 1. That thing took off.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's go.
Look at that. Yeah, it's up there somewhere now. We're installing a big brake kit for our Cybertruck. We actually customized it a little bit more for the customer. So the brakes came red. Client wanted them black. We actually put the Cybertruck logo on the calipers, and then we clear coat it on top so it's embedded into the paint. So it's awesome. It doesn't peel up or anything because now it's part of the paint. So when you touch it and you feel it and everything, it literally feels like OEM.
I'm actually kind of concerned with these. They say they're OEM fit, but this is not OEM size. You might have to run spacers if Boston's wheels are offset for the stock brakes.
So this is the Cybertruck we're installing the big brake kit on. We wrapped the whole car in black, gloss black PPF. 24-inch Boston wheels on here. If you guys want to see us install all that, there's a video. No, there isn't. I didn't make one. But you can imagine it. You can imagine just putting it all on there. That's what this is.
It's nowhere to be found. We removed the fender liner to expose the brake line. With a big brake kit, you have to get steel brake lines. New calipers.
Yeah, these are tiny.
New rotors.
All the hardware needed to install. Oh, these are the steel brake lines that we just mentioned.
Good. Are you gonna tell to all your 14,000 viewers that I paint the calipers?
Leo painted the calipers, guys.
And who helped Sean with the sticker?
Yeah, no one cares.
What happens when it starts going? Does it stay black?
What are you talking about?
The rotors, they're black. Does it
Stay
stay
or
or
stays black,
is
or if it's just an outer coat.
I feel like they're gonna like scrape off.
Yeah, and be silver.
Wait until the viewers see the carbon ceramics we installed. Hey, what's that right here?
No.
Camera?
No.
Stare into the camera. Oh,
Yeah,
hit me.
yeah, that's what I
What
thought.
a joke. Is that Firestone, bro?
Is that the logo?
I think so. Isn't that Firestone logo?
What is that fucking...
Get the f out of here.
What?
That's a big rotor, isn't it? Hey, do we know why it's two-piece? Air can pass through, and what it does is it cools the brake rotor a lot faster.
Oh.
And that's why also, so regular rotors have the slits on the inside, but they don't have a slit between the actual hub and the rotor. That's why you make a two-piece so that more air can escape.
Oh.
I know that because I used to track. Track was life. I can't believe my car's gonna be gone today.
Dude, it's a big day for you, bro.
It's a big day.
Serious? I know you guys had a lot of memories in here, like both your first kisses. Raul, how do you feel about that?
Sucks. Making the wrong decision, maybe.
Maybe.
Can't believe you actually did that to me. You
Now-
actually caught that.
Well, now you have that for the rest of your life.
Off camera, I cried. So they're braided steel on the inside.
That is nice.
It all depends on how fast the bleeding process and if everything fits properly. What you know about the nipple covers, huh?
I know nothing about those.
Why'd you say it like that?
Like what?
The fronts are easy. There's just the pads and the nipples.
It looks pretty cool, leaving the bolt silver.
That one done. Last one.
That's a pretty big difference.
At least another inch surface area all the way around. Old one off. Do I look professional here?
This Cybertruck is a Cyber Beast, so it got the Tesla light bar, and then that's the front.
Really important not to shift the teeth. You know? Because you want it to be in the exact position.
Run it.
Run the pedal test.
So this is what it looks like installed. I like the new black color as it matches the rest of the Cybertruck and even the wheels, because the wheels have like this tinted machine finish which complements the silver hardware on the calipers too, and the white Cybertruck logo is a nice subtle pop. We weren't sure at first if these were going to fit the Vossen wheels, but we're glad to report that there are no fitment issues, no need for spacers or anything like that. Here are some photos comparing the weight of the rotors between the OEM and RBs. We're looking at over 25% in weight savings if that interests you, but we will be doing a video soon on the braking performance in the near future, so stay tuned for that.
Say so, right? It's a yes, right?
What do you mean? Yes.
It's a yes. Just sick, you know?
Yeah, it looks good.
It has ditch lights.
What?
Yeah, so look, let me show you. So this is ditch light mode. It turns off the middle.
Oh, that's
and there's
cool.
lights for the ditch. And
So it's like the sides or just the middle?
if you just want the middle, you can do that's the middle. And if you want both, you can turn it on for both, and it'll do both ditch lights and the flood lights.
That's cool. That's nice.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm not gonna lie, it's actually pretty cool.